Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from the Skill Builder channel. Welcome to another 2-minute tip. That's 5 seconds gone already, so let's get on with it. If you're doing a job like this and you're making repetitive cuts, it's very handy to clamp something in place so that you can make the cuts without having to measure each one. The only problem with that, sawdust. Once you get a bit of sawdust blowing up in there, you find that your dimension has changed. It might not seem a lot, but if you're trying to do precision work, such as picture frames, for example, then that little bit really matters. So the way to get rid of that, you can just blow it out every time, or what you can do is make sure that your end stop has a 45-degree cut on it. So that 45-degree cut there will now go against our point where we need to go. We've measured that off, so we're making sure that we're precise every time. Now, when we put our picture frame piece in, or whatever we're doing there, and we make our cut, any dust that accumulates there will be underneath that little channel and it will be taken out. We want to cut the mitre the other way on this one. And you can see that we've got absolute precision every time. And don't forget, when you're using something like a mitre saw or chop saw, in fact any kind of power tool, a bit of safety. Safety specs are great, and also you see these two symbols here. That means don't put your hands any closer than those lines. That's what we call the safe zone. Keep your hands away from there, and don't do what I've been guilty of doing sometimes, which is, for some strange reason, and if you're trying to cut a small bit off, don't put your hand there. Some point or another, that blade is going to bite you. So I'm Roger Bisbee. Come back and see us on Skill Builder soon for another 2-minute tip.